Today I'm making chicken curry. This one is super simple. Here's what I'm using. I'm starting with oils and ginger and garlic. Adding chopped onions and mixing. I'm adding dry shakura. Now the spices. Let the masala cook. Some fresh tomato and chicken. Mix it really well. Let the chicken cook with the masala. Adding chicken masala. This smells so good. Let everything cook together. Cover it and let it simmer. Adding a little water. Checking on the chicken. Let it cook until tender. And this is the final result.